Today, we are going to explore how to use Rionix's Unit Management tool to update multiple SCADADroids at once, rather than configuring each one individually. Using the Unit Management tool, you can update one or more SCADADroids to the latest firmware version. As you can see here, each unit is listed at the top, and the information for each one is shown below. This SCADADroid has a firmware of 8U, which is not current, while this unit has the 8ZG firmware, which is current. We need to update the first unit. To update the SCADADroid, click on the Tools tab and then the Firmware Update button. A dialog box will appear, providing the option to select which units we want to include in the update. If you have a large amount of SCADADroids to update, try to only do 50 at a time, as the program cannot update more than 60 to 70 units together. To select all the units in the program, click the Select All button over here. Another way to select the SCADADroids you want to update is by clicking the List option. Here you can choose a CSV file. And lastly, you can type in each SCADADroid's information by clicking on the Manual option. For this demonstration, we will use the Workspace Units option and select the unit that needs the latest firmware. Next, click on the Firmware Update File button to upload the latest firmware from your computer to the Unit Management program. On this computer, the firmware file is in this folder. After selecting the file, click Open and then click the Start Update button. We can now see the progress on the firmware update. The program tells us what unit it is currently updating. If we were updating multiple SCADADroids, it would change to the next unit when the first one was completed. Now the unit has been sent the firmware update, has accepted it, and is currently processing the file. Please note that it will take the SCADADroid 10 to 15 minutes to process the file. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to update one or more SCADADroids with the Unit Management tool. For more support videos, please go to our website and click on Support Videos. There you will find more tutorials for the Unit Management tool, as well as other topics related to Rionix's SCADADroid.